I get it out of those patterns, and this left side, not good. Yeah. Fall. Great. Jeez. So good. Oh my goodness. I'm guessing you've never had anything like that.
I feel like I can see better. Wow.
You're seeing in 4K now.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. If I sleep on my right side, I have these shooting pains that shoot.
0 out of 10, what does it usually feel like for you?
8 to 10.
Really high.
Very high.
Good.
Ooh. Ooh.
That was a deep one.
Ooh, it was like, oh, whoa. Oh, wow. Ooh, that one even didn't hit right away. It kind of just went, hey. Oh.
Like a delayed bam.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. It doesn't hurt.
Oh, hello. Right?
Check me out. I don't have to go like this when I'm backing up. I turn my whole body.
Okay, but this is already
Not
this
anymore.
is just looking so much smoother.
Yeah.